Today we're making a double beef, double cheese smash burger. It's got a beautiful tangy sauce. It's so easy to make. Let's get straight into it.
Now starting this off, we're going to be making a sauce that's better than Big Mac sauce. So we're going to need 1 white or brown onion. We're going to use 1/4 of it so you can save the rest for another dish. Just dice that up nice and fine. We're then going to need 3 slices of dill pickles. I made them in a previous video if you wanted to use that. Just dice these up the same size as the onions. Then in a bowl add 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 2.5 teaspoons of American yellow mustard, the diced onion and the diced pickles, 1/2 teaspoon each of onion and garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, the juice of 1/4 of a lemon, and then a little bit of seasoning to taste. Then whisk to combine until those flavors have become friends, and then place in the fridge until we're ready to serve. Now for the rest of the burger, I'm going to slice up some tomato and then pop this away for the time being. We're also going to need some buns. I'm using brioche for this, but you can use any of your choice. And for the beef, I have 500 grams of 80% fat beef mince here, just divided it by 4 and I'm rolling them out into balls. Let's then place a large pan over a high heat, add in 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, getting this nice and smoking hot, then add in 2 balls at a time. I've cut out some parchment paper to size that I can place over the top, then we're going to push down with a spatula, that's just going to avoid them from sticking, and then we're going to sear these for about 2 minutes, seasoning them well on one side. Once you've got that beautiful crust, we're going to flip them over, just cook these for 1 minute, then we're going to add on our sliced cheese. This isn't the American plastic stuff, so don't worry, and you can use any cheese of your choice here. We're going to cook these for about 30 seconds, then stack them on top of each other and just allow them to rest. Toast your buns however you like. I did these under the grill in the oven. We can then spread that beautiful sauce that we made before over both sides. Place over a nice bit of washed lettuce. I'm using romaine lettuce right here, and then adding those tomatoes over the top with a good seasoning of salt and pepper. Next to go on is the double beef, double cheese patties, and you can also top these off with some pickles, which I did make in the previous video, just like we did for the sauce. Then last but not least, place over the top bun to complete the look, and we're left with this double beef, double cheese smash burger.
Once you have this beautiful burger all assembled, there is one thing left to do, and that is, of course, we can then dig in.